Union Minister of Civil Aviation Ram Mohan Naidu said that the central government is focusing more on developing manufacturing ecosystem in the country. Inaugurating Wings India 2026 in Hyderabad, today the Union Minister stated that the reforms introduced by the central government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership has enabled common people to travel by air. He said that the government aims to construct around 350 airports in the country and is working towards enhancing the aviation ecosystem to facilitate indigenous manufacturing along with other big civil aviation companies. He emphasized that it is essential to increase the aviation ecosystem in the country. He also mentioned that the central government is making efforts to manufacture aircraft indigenously in India. The minister expressed gratitude to the Telangana government for their support in organizing the mega event in Hyderabad. Wing India 2026 is Asia's largest civil aviation event, expected to attract over 3,000 business delegations from across 20 countries. The event features international exhibitions, air shows, static aircraft displays, flying demonstration, CEO roundtables, and an award ceremony. It will also include an aviation job fair. The report News Now.